This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A shocking case has come to light from a government hospital in Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. A viral video from the Community Health Center in Love Kush Nagar has raised serious question over hospital cleanliness and health services. The video shows a dog resting on a hospital bed meant for patient and children receiving treatment. The incident has created concern among patients and local residents. People are also worried about the risk of infection. After the video went viral, health department official came under pressure. Local people have demanded strict action and better cleanliness at the hospital. A surprising case of cannabis cultivation has been reported from Katara Hills in Bhopal. A security guard working at an under-construction housing society allegedly grew cannabis plant inside the building. According to police, the man was growing the plants to meet his own demand for cannabis. After receiving information, police reached the spot and recovered the plant. The plants were later destroyed. Police have arrested the accused and registered a case under the NDPS Act. The accused has been identified as Kallu Chaurasia. Katara Hills Police Station in charge Sunil Dubey said further investigation is underway into the case. The protest by farmers and tribal people affected by the Ken-Betwa link project has now reached Delhi. On Thursday, a group of 20 affected farmers met leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi at Parliament. The meeting continued for around 50 minutes. Rahul Gandhi assured the delegation that he would raise their concern in Parliament. The farmers demanded fair compensation and proper rehabilitation for affected families. 11 representatives from Chhatarpur and 9 from Panna attended the meeting. They also raised allegation of displacement and corruption linked to the Majgaon Dam and Roj project in Panna. There is important news for millions of students in Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh Board of Secondary Education has released the timetable for the 2027 Class 10th and Class 12 board examinations. According to the new schedule, the Class 12 board exams will begin on February 17, 2027. The Class 10th exam will start on February 24th. The examination for both classes will be held from 9 am to 12 noon. The students are advised to check the official timetable carefully and start preparing according to the subjects and examination dates. Bhopal's famous boat club was filled with patriotic spirit ahead of Independence Day. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched a special boat Tiranga Yatra at the Upper Lake. The event carried a strong message of patriotism, national service and dedication to the country. A huge floating Tiranga was also created on the Upper Lake for the first time. The sight attracted people at the boat club and created a strong feeling of pride among citizens. The colorful event gave a special patriotic look to Bhopal ahead of Independence Day celebrations. The floating national flag became a major attraction. Police have arrested a man from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh for allegedly cheating a women doctor of around 3 lakhs rupees. The accused reportedly contacted the doctor through a matrimonial website. He allegedly introduced himself as a doctor and an IS officer to gain her trust. Police said the accused used AI technology to edit photographs and uploaded pictures with administrative officers. He allegedly used these images to create a false identity and trap people. After receiving a complaint, police investigated the case and traced the accused to Varanasi. He was arrested and further investigation is underway. Madhya Pradesh is likely to see heavy rain over the next few days. The Indian Meteorological Department has warned of heavy rainfall in both western and eastern parts of the state. Thunderstorms and lightning are also possible in several areas. Some places may receive very heavy rain on August 16th and 17th. People living in low-lying areas should remain alert because waterlogging may occur. Traffic and daily activities could also be affected. The weather is expected to remain cloudy with rain in many districts. People are advised to follow local weather updates and avoid going outside during thunderstorms.